How to chat in Sons of the Forest. So to chat in Sons of the Forest, the method depends on whether you are trying to talk to other players or command your AI companion. So to send a written message to everyone on the server, just press enter and this chat box will pop up here on the right side of your game. Then just basically type whatever you want. So let's say hello. Though do note that the chat has a limited character count per message. If you type too much, it won't send. So just make sure that you keep the message short. So once you've typed your message, just tap on enter again on your keyboard. And as you can see, my message has been sent to the server. The next thing that you can do is using the multiplayer voice chat via the walkie-talkie. So the game uses a proximity voice system, but since you spawn with a walkie-talkie, you can hear friends across the map. So just simply tap on letter T on your keyboard and this will show your walkie-talkie right here or equip your walkie-talkie. And once you equip it, it will automatically enable the voice chat, and whenever you speak while your walkie-talkie is equipped, your friends will automatically hear you. So as you can see right here, if you go to settings, options, and audio, you will see this proximity voice chat option where you can set it to push to talk or always on. So you could pick from either using a walkie-talkie or using the proximity voice chat. And that is how I basically chat in Sons of the Forest.